हेलो पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप लोगों की पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही होगी, आप लोगों की लाइफ इन जनरल अच्छी चल रही होगी और आप अपने घरों पे सेफ होंगे। कोविड वापस बढ़ रहा है तो मेक श्योर यू टेक ऑल द प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स। एंड एग्ज़ाम्स भी बहुत ही करीब आ चुके हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 से 1.5 महीना बचा है। तो मेक श्योर आपकी प्रायोरिटीज़ जो हैं वो सेट हैं, आप डिस्ट्रैक्शन से काफ़ी दूर हैं और आप अपने गोल से हर दिन एक एक स्टेप क्लोज़र आते रह रहे हैं। सोशल मीडिया को मिनिमाइज़ कर दो। सोशल मीडिया वेट कर सकता है, इंस्टाग्राम कहीं नहीं जाएगा, वो वहीं रहेगा। तो मेक श्योर एक बार के लिए डिलीट कर दो, और इनकेस अगर आप डिलीट नहीं कर रहे हो तो प्लीज़ टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दो उसका। सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिन में 15 to 20 मिनट्स चलाओ, ऐसा कुछ एक टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस डाल दो उसमें, ठीक है। अगर आप मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल के मेंबर हो तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता होगा व्हाट दिस वीडियो इज़ अबाउट। सो बेसिकली आई हैव लॉन्च्ड टेस्ट सीरीज़ फॉर 3 subjects. One is ISCA, one is DT, and one is IDT. Okay, so how is this test series gonna be? Let's discuss. So first let's discuss about DT and IDT, how the test gonna be. So basically I will be conducting 4 tests of DT and 4 tests of IDT. So the structure is divided in that way that test 1 will contain PGBP and international taxation, which together has a weightage of 50 marks in examination. Test 2 will be having trust, MAT, AMT, then assessment of various entities. This will together make a weightage of 20 marks in the examination. Test 3 will contain TDS, capital gain, income from other sources, penalties, miscellaneous. Again, TDS is very important in this slot, and this together will make you 20 marks in examination. And test 4 will be the rest, that is our assessment procedures, appeals, and settlement commission and rest, and this will have a weightage of 10 to 15 marks in the examination. Right, now come, let's first discuss about the IDT. Similarly with the IDT we have 4 tests again. Test 1 contains these chapters. Test 2 contains time of supply, e-way bill, refund, ITC, appeals, registrations, composition scheme. Test 3 contains custom, FTP, assessment in audit, and test 4 contains remaining chapters. Right, so these are the syllabus. Basically I will be having 4 tests for DT and 4 tests of IDT. Now let's discuss about the ISCA test. So in ISCA I won't be having 4 tests. I will be having test for all the chapters on every Sunday. So basically the thing with ISCA is we can't study ISCA for a longer time. So the ideal way to study ISCA is to give every day 2 to 3 hours. That's why I will be conducting ISCA test on every Sundays. Like for first Sunday I will be conducting test on 8 and 7. Then we will be having chapter 2 and 6. Then we will be having chapter 5 and 4. And then we will be having chapter 1. And then we will be having chapter number 3. So first let's talk about the fee structure. So for DT and IDT you have to pay me rupees 350 for each. So basically for DT 350 and for IDT 350, and for ISCA you have to pay me rupees 300. Basically if you want all the 3 subjects you have to pay 1000 rupees, and you can even opt for individual subjects. Right, so this is how the fee structure gonna be. So now let's talk about how I will be conducting tests. So after receiving the payment I will mail you and I will ask you how do you need the papers. Right, so you have 2 options. Either you can have all the papers at once, or you can mail me whenever you want. Right, for example, if you are confident enough that I have paid and I will be given all the questions and all the tests, so you can ask me paper at once. But if you think ki you will you will procrastinate, you won't be given test, so what you can do is suppose you are going for DT test, so mail me that I'm gonna appear test 1 today, so I will mail you the questions. Right, then after 2 to 3 days when you will be appearing test 2, then mail me once again that I will be gonna appear in test 2, so I will mail you that questions. Right, this is how the scenario will be. And then you have to submit answers of all the tests before 30th April. Why I have given 30th April? So that you won't get lazy, and you will come. Today is 12th April or 13th April, so basically you will be having 15 to 17 days in your hands. In that 15 to 17 days you will be completing your DT and IDT. For ISCA there is no time limit, because every Sunday I will be conducting tests. That is a fixed time period. Right, for ISCA I will send you the question paper on the Telegram channel or on your mail if you want. And that's the fixed time for ISCA we will have the test on every Sunday, and for DT and IDT you have two options, but you have to submit answers of the test before 30th April for DT and IDT. If you are enrolling only DT, you have to submit all the tests before 30th April. If you are enrolling only IDT, you have to do that, and if you are appearing both DT and IDT, you have to again submit the answers before 30th April 2021. Okay. Okay, now I can obviously extend the time limit, but the reason I have given a time limit so that you can complete the targets, you can complete the course of DT and IDT before 30th April. That's the only purpose of giving a time target, right? And now that's that. And now coming to the benefits, you might be having question, why should I give test? So obviously you should, and even I have given test for many subjects. I will be honest, I haven't given test for every subjects. So basically I don't used to give test for practical papers, but I used to give test for theory subjects. That's why I'm conducting test for these three subjects, and these three subjects are must, right? This three, you should have a writing practice, you should have an exam experience in the time constant environment, right? So what are the benefits? Again, you will be having 3 hours, and so you will experience what you will be gonna experiencing on your exam day. So that will give you just a good experience of exam. Second, it will help you to turn 40s into 60s, so you will know your mistakes. So that will help you to to convert your 40 marks into 60 marks. And 60 mark is very important to achieve for getting aggregate, right? Now the evaluation which I will be doing will be as per ICI suggested answers, right? Then you can give exam anytime as per your convenience. There is no fixed time. I won't be telling you to give exam on 2 p.m. only. It is as per your convenience. However, it is recommended to give at 2 p.m., but no worries, you can give your exam even at 2 a.m. at the midnight, right? It's all upon you. It will be as per your convenience. And writing practice will definitely give you confidence, because if you haven't even ever tried given test, so just give one test and make sure, and you will know the difference, right? And the sixth will be the timely completion of the course, because I have a deadline, that is 30th April. So you will be covering all your DT and IDT vast subjects on 30th April, before 30th April. Then again you will be having 20 days for other subjects too, right? So that's how the test is gonna be. So if you are interested, you can phone pay me, you can Google pay me. The number will be in my description box, and after paying you have to send me a screenshot at my email ID and to confirm the payment, right? And soon I will be adding WhatsApp feature for easy communication, so that will have an easy communication. We don't be having problem in communication purpose, right? So yeah, that's how the test scenario will be. So yeah, now the I will start sharing question papers on from 15th April. So you have 2 days, decide whether you want to do test series or not, and then take a good sound decision. So that's it guys, thank you very much.